If you are interested to give mock interview, you will be finding registration link in the description. You have to fill out the Google form and interview will be scheduled. In each and every interview, whatever questions I ask, I suggest you to pause the video and try to answer by yourself so that it will be like a practice for you and you can learn multiple things. Hi, Sharti.
Hi, ma'am. Hi.
Can you tell me about yourself?
Sure, ma'am. I'm Sardi. I'm from Tamil Nadu. I have completed bachelor degree in the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering with 8.5 CGPA. After completing graduation, I have done one software course in a private training institute. Till I have knowledge about front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React.js. Coming to my backend, I have familiar with the Java, MySQL, and Spring Boot, and I have done some project also related to my concept. Uh, that's all about me, ma'am.
Okay, that's great. So, do you have any experience? Have you
No,
worked anywhere?
I'm a fresher, ma'am.
Okay. So, this interview will be in three parts.
Okay,
First, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Then you will be having some coding based questions. And finally, you will be having project.
okay, ma'am.
Okay, let's start with the interview.
Okay.
So, is there any other way to access object
By using dot, we have access
apart from
the
dot?
dot.
Apart from dot?
Apart from dot, we have to access only there are two ways to access the object, ma'am. By using dot notation or by using the bracket method.
Okay. So, have you heard about object destructuring?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In that way, can you access?
Yes, ma'am. We have also access by using object destructuring.
Okay. Do you know how to access?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just show me.
For this, I have created one new object destructuring, ma'am, or by.
No, no. Same object only.
Okay.
No, it should be equal to only. Just declare with let var or const. You can use let. No, not there, not there. Where you have declared first name and last name before the block.
Okay.
No, not there.
No, no, sorry.
Hmm. Now log it to console.
Ma'am.
Okay. So do you know what is DOM?
DOM, yes, ma'am. DOM stands for Document Object Model. Document Object Model is nothing but just a tree-like structure of our HTML content.
It is?
It is a tree-like structure of our actual HTML content, ma'am.
Okay. So DOM is DOM part of JavaScript?
Yes, ma'am. DOM is a part of DOM is a part of HTML. So by using JavaScript, we have to access the DOM elements, ma'am, and
Okay.
manipulating the DOM elements.
So you are saying DOM is not part of JavaScript.
It's a part of HTML document.
Okay. That is wrong.
Okay.
DOM is what you told is correct. DOM is not part of JavaScript, but it is part of Web API.
Okay.
You know what are closures?
Closures are the lexical scope of our function, ma'am. So, help.
Yes, yes, you can continue.
So we have to handle the in outer function element to the by inner function element, ma'am. Access the element by using an inner function.
Okay. So have you used closures in your project? The project which you have created, e-commerce.
No, ma'am, I just using on login form in my
Okay.
project.
So can you tell me difference between double equal to and triple equal to?
So when we use a double equal to, we have to compare the elements. On the comparison, we the browser automatically convert the elements by using type conversion. So in a triple equal to instance, it is compare the element in the manner of strict manner, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell difference between let, var and const?
Yes, ma'am. In the early stage, we have to declare variables by using var only. So after the ES6 concept, uh, JavaScript has two more methods to declare variables like let and constant. By using var keyword, we have to declare the elements and update the elements and reassign the elements. Uh, while we using a let, we have to declared once, but it is a block level element. We have to update it only in the block. In constant element, we don't want to update it, and we can't to read assignment.
Okay. So const is also block or function?
It's also a block level element, ma'am.
Okay, that's right. So in after ES6, functions are block scope or what scope they hold?
They are the block scope manner, ma'am.
Okay, whenever you use ustrict, they will be in block scope.
Block scope.
Okay, can we start with output based questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just create separate script file,
Okay.
JS file, and link in HTML.
Draw JS file to my HTML. It arrests some issues, ma'am.
Oh, is it? Okay,
So
then you can continue with script tag only.
okay.
Okay, just maximize the screen and you should not see the output. You have to guess and you have to tell me.
Okay.
Okay, I will.
Can I did like in a HTML file, I just using a script tag and run the code, ma'am, like this.
That is fine.
Okay.
I will give you code in chat, copy and paste.
Okay.
I have pasted.
Okay.
There, can you see below one I symbol?
Oh, wait. Yes, ma'am.
There.
Yes.
Okay. What will be the output for this to console?
First, we have type of data. It's a string format, ma'am, actually.
Okay.
So when we use a false, we don't use a double quotes.
Okay. And
And
for second?
was second is using or operator or not equal to operator.
Two not equals.
Not equals. Type of not equal. It's a number or something.
Okay, just see the result.
Okay. First one is correct.
Hmm.
And second one is Boolean.
Now, can you tell how we got Boolean?
It's a absolute type of a true and false, ma'am.
Okay.
data type. So whenever you use a not equal to, it takes opposite to our data type.
Okay. So not of data, first data is string, so it is true. Not of true is false. So
Okay.
not of false is true and that is Boolean value.
Okay.
Okay. Next question. I will just paste. Now I have given you two objects.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now what you have to do, you have to merge these objects
Merge these objects to the other object or
to the other object.
okay.
Just close the file panel, Control P. No, in VS Code.
Okay.
I want to merge both result one and okay, you have not copied one more object. In chat, you are having result one also.
Okay.
No, from chat, copy result one and paste first.
Result when is already in the same.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, the syntax what you have mentioned is right, but before seeing the result, can you tell me what will be the result? Because in both result one and result two, we are having place. Which
Yes.
place will be taken?
Place is overriding actually.
Okay,
So in this place we have Mumbai, ma'am.
check the result.
Okay.
What we got?
Got Bangalore.
Can you tell me why?
Actually, when in object, when we want to apply values with the same key, it can override, ma'am.
Yes, it will override.
But in case of override, there will be Mumbai, right?
It should be Mumbai because while merging, first you have given result two, then
Oh,
result one.
by using a nine. Okay, okay. I hear putting a result to and
Ah,
result one.
I got to know you got confused here.
Okay, okay.
If you give result one and result two, then your answer will be
Yes,
Mumbai.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now just check result two. Now you got Mumbai.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So it depends on the order.
Okay.
Now I will paste the third question. I have pasted. What will be the result for this?
Let's not get it. The result will be Gia, ma'am.
Okay. Check.
Okay. Have to check, right?
Yes, yes. See the result.
Okay.
you're having some issues, you can reinstall your editor. Okay, in
Okay.
interview each and every time if you do this.
Okay. Okay. Hmm.
Just comment entire code from above, that object's entire thing. Because constant we have already declared data, const data. Huh. Now you see the result.
Okay. Yeah, ma'am.
Now here we have not given let, var and const. So what will be the scope of data?
It's a function scope actually.
Function scope.
Function scope.
Okay, if we don't give anything, it will go to global scope.
Okay.
Okay, data will be global and we can access anywhere.
Okay.
Now just change it to let now. Same code,
Let
just change it to let. Now what will be the result?
let to by using let we have to access the value only in the block. So the result will be the GR, ma'am.
Okay, just check.
Hmm.
Okay, you got Gia. So here what concept is used? Is it hoisting concept or scoping concept?
It's a scoping concept, ma'am.
Yes, right. You are right.
It's here we using a let.
If I change to const, what will be the result? Don't change, just tell.
The by using constant, it's a block scope. It's also a GR, ma'am.
Okay, correct. Now I will paste another question.
Okay.
I have pasted.
Okay.
Okay, comment that data.
Okay.
What will be the output?
Here we don't have to put any condition, ma'am.
Okay.
So the code is not executed.
Do we get any error?
Error, yes, ma'am. We will get any error.
Okay, just check what error we got.
Okay. Hello. The
You know how?
system hello learner.
Okay, because we have falsy values like 0, false, null, undefined, and empty string.
Yes, ma'am.
So apart from that, entire thing is through the value. So this empty object is also through the value.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
So that is, so it is true. So it will come in if block and it will execute.
Okay.
If you give there 0, remove empty object and give 0. Now condition is false. What will be the result?
Bye.
Yes. So apart from falsy values, the entire thing will be true.
Okay.
Okay, I will give another question. I have pasted.
Yes.
Hmm.
Ma'am, here we didn't declare any promises, ma'am.
Okay.
So if you want to execute this, we have some promises, right?
Okay. What kind of promises?
So normally promises have two parameters, resolve and result. So here we put a condition, once the promise is resolved, it could be console done.
Okay, check. In
Okay.
what state our promise will be?
Starting the promise will be the bending.
Okay, now here directly we have written resolve. So what
Resolve
state?
it's a fulfilled, ma'am.
Yes, correct. Check. Yes, promise fulfill state.
Fulfilled.
Now I just want to make this I just want to get the value of done. Okay, I don't want to display fulfill. I don't want to display that. Can
Okay.
you just get the value of done?
By using dot catch. Ma'am,
Yeah, okay. Correct. Now, can we start with project or do you want some more output based questions?
I want some output based questions, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, I have pasted.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. What will be the output?
The output will be the JS and full stack.
Okay, check.
Subject, oh, only the values
We are accessing keys.
is.
Okay, here we have used a foreign loop and here I am trying to access keys.
Okay.
I'll give another question.
Yes, ma'am.
I have pasted.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. The output will be first one is 150 and
Mhm.
second one is number.
Okay, check the result.
Default it's a string also. Yes, ma'am. By default, JS is a string, right?
Ha, not by default because here we are using double quotes for zero.
Yes, ma'am.
So after adding, it has concatenated.
Okay.
And entire thing is string now. So that is the reason type of data is string.
Okay.
So
Suppose
now, ha,
suppose in six and nines are integer where zero is a number but the whole term will be turned to number, right, ma'am, or wrong?
if zero is also number, if you remove double quotes, instead of removing double quotes, just put minus.
Okay.
Just write minus 9 minus 0. 9 minus in double quotes only, right?
double quote 0.
Huh. Now what will be the output of data and what will be the type of data?
Now put 15, right?
And type of data?
It's a number.
Yes. Now type of data will be number. Okay,
Okay.
when we are using plus, it will concatenate. When we are using minus, then string coefficient will be happening.
Okay.
Okay, you can check the result. It will
Okay.
be 15 and number.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I will give another question.
Ma'am, here we use to written, right?
Yes.
But first written we didn't written anything. So
So what will be the result?
what the result will be the second written value start 4.
Okay, just write comment and write the result, what we will get. And later on we can check.
Okay.
Okay, check the result.
Undefined. So written. Okay. It's a
So
synchronous manner, right? Okay.
so as soon as it reaches first written, if the condition is true, it will not go to the second line.
Okay.
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 I will paste the last question.
Modified to true. I guess the output is false, ma'am.
Okay, check.
-1.
Okay, you know how?
Not equal to 0 minus 1.
So just do simple console log through and display through. Only through.
Oh, can I cancel again?
Come down to next line.
Okay.
Just log through.
Not equal to true means it's a false.
Okay, just log through first.
Okay.
No, not that. Okay, okay, correct, correct. What you're doing is right.
Okay. It's -1.
You got to know the logic?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So true value will be converted to 1, not of 1. Okay, you got it. Now let us start with project part.
Okay.
Okay, you have to create simple to-do list app.
Okay.
When you click on button, item has to be added. Part
Okay.
along with item, you should be having one cross symbol. And when you click on cross symbol, without deleting the item, you just have to strike that item.
Okay, ma'am.
And you should be having two buttons for filtering and sorting.
Filtering and sorting. Okay.
You can check console and you can see what error you are getting. Okay, according to that you can debug.
You need a cross button nearby hello, right?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, whenever I try this kind of approach, it arises some error like append is not a function.
Because you are appending on value.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that is the reason you are getting error.
Okay.
From there, are you able to get the list?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, show me that.
Okay.
Remove that val one dot append. You will get error. Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
So later on, you can work on this project. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Along with list, you can add multiple features. Instead of
Okay.
strike, you can give one more button to complete incomplete task.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Based on that, you can do filtering, sorting.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
So how was your experience? What all you learned?
It was nice, ma'am. I have done a teeny teeny mistakes.
Okay.
It was nice, ma'am. So still, I have attended many interviews.
Okay.
Those are like the question answers was what is what. So that is
Okay.
like uh, they even know explain what's the error I have done. So what was the solution? So you give that way is a different kind of handle, ma'am.
Okay. So out of 10 marks, how many marks you will give yourself?
I give myself is out of 6 or 7.
Yes, even I would give 6 and 7 because for 6 months experience, I did not imagine that you will be knowing JavaScript too.
Okay,
Because even I learned after I think 8 or 9 months after
okay,
coming to web development. So that is great.
okay,
Just if you know JavaScript OOP, no, in interviews, once you tell, they will be asking questions on OOP only.
okay,
So just practice, create 2 4 projects in OOP so that you will get the concept.
okay,
Okay, in when it comes to JavaScript, we don't have a complete process on classes. Okay, it is completely on prototypes.
okay,
Okay, so if they ask what are classes, you don't have to tell. Okay, in JavaScript we don't have. That is completely hidden from us.
okay,
So just focus more on that. And also asynchronous, so you answered almost entire thing.
okay.
So overall, it was very good experience with you.
Thank you.
And this project you can definitely practice. You can add more functionalities, but
Eh,
at least you are able to do one part.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Okay then. Do you have any questions?
No, ma'am. How do I improve my knowledge through the those concepts, ma'am?
See, by taking your interview, I got to know the concepts. Okay, you understood the concepts, you are able to answer, you are able to explain.
Okay,
Only thing is focus on projects. Now, once you are ready with theory part, just create simple projects. Like
okay,
to-do list we have counter we have calendars.
yes, ma'am.
Just start with simple project and then same project implement in your bigger projects.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, 1 or 2 times try by seeing, then 3 4 times try without seeing, so that the concept goes into your head.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Okay, you can just practice. Apart from practicing, we don't have anything here. We have
yes.
to learn.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, chalo. Bye. Take care.
Bye. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.